I love helping the community and being able to equip volunteers to turn off-cast stuff around and really know that by bringing single mom beds for her kids, we changed a life. Welcome to Salem West. We're a donation center. The Continuous Improvement Program has helped us, and it can help any nonprofit, any government entity look at how they're doing their work. As an example, the lighting in our warehouse was poor, but we were sorting clothes. As you're sorting clothes, you can't see a stain on the clothes. And so by just changing a light bulb served to really impact the way we do things. So our cohort met monthly, half by Zoom and half in person, seeing the other nonprofits, figuring out what they were up to, and being able to interact was very, very important. And there was accountability with the other folks that were involved, and we could see that things that we were trying might work for others and vice versa. Everyone who participated got something out of it. We actually looked at all of our operations, how we sort clothes, how we sort process donations, how we clean things, and it's little incremental changes that we put in place that served as a lot of the big changes.